Good morning, you guys. It is 6:30 in the morning on a Saturday. We are currently in Lancaster. Believe it or not, it's 28 degrees outside. It's fucking freezing. But anyway, we're about to head over to Willow Springs, which is about 10 miles up north, and we're gonna start Ulster Bash 2018. Bunch of safety regulations we have to follow, but all I really got from it is to send it, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go send it. So we just got a couple more laps in, a little bit of tandem, killed the first set of tires, tandem with this guy over here in the 350Z. I told him he was wild and he's like, yeah, I'm renting this car, so just sending it.
Send it! First time for me in the 350Z, and we did a battle together.
Yeah.
It was quite close. It's nice driving.
Trying, it's stock AA, so.
Oh, nice. Nice, we will do battle
for
again.
Sure, we should go to Horse Thief, man.
That was fun.
Nice battle together.
Did you see my rear fender? Had a few more laps at Horse Thief with the French guy over there. We had to send it. Had to show how it's done in America. Ended up delaminating the tire. Losing my over fender. I don't know where it's at. Rest in peace. The side skirt though, man, I'm a little upset about that. So it's getting close to sunset. Once the sun goes down, we're gonna do night drift. It's gonna be pretty cool. They're gonna light up half the track and we're gonna send it in the dark. I don't know if I'll do any footage then because it's gonna be pretty dark, but I'll give it a try.